It's a bad man tonight. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a review of this hair that you see that I'm rocking, and this is the Freetress Bohemian Braid, and this is what it looks like on the start card. And I purchased the hair from Wig Types, and I got 5 packs but used 4, and I used like few strands from the 5th pack, and you can definitely get away with using just 3 packs if you separate the hair, but I advise against that. Like, don't separate the hair, because I try to separate the hair, and this is what it turned into, a frizzy ball of just mess. Maybe it's how I did it, but this is what the hair, this is what it looks like. And I just installed it just like that. And let me try to separate one strand so you can see what I'm talking about. Well, this is what it looks like if you separate it. And you might like it like that, but that is too frizzy, and I feel like it will make the hair even bigger. And for my braiding pattern, I have 12 braids going straight back. And this is, I have been wearing this hair for like 2 weeks now. I know usually what I do is like give you guys my first day thought, but when I installed the hair, it was pretty late, and I have been really busy, so I haven't had the time. I legit just got from work, and I'm like wearing my work clothes. So yeah, so it's like I've had this hair for 2 weeks, and so far, like, the curls look so beautiful. Like, it is awesome. I love the color. Oh, the colors that I'm wearing is the, what color is this? I'm wearing the color TP1B27. Yeah, like that style on the model, it looks so good. But like, the hair looks nice. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. It's like, it's just, it tangles a lot. Like, I don't know. Will I wear this hair again? I don't know. We'll see. But like, it is like matted up, and it's tangling, like, yeah. And I know that's expected of synthetic hair, like, but I've tried on a crochet hairstyle, and the tangling and stuff has not been this bad. And usually at night I'll just twist it up. Like, look at the end. I'll like twist it up, and twist it up into like chunks, and then just put my bonnet on and go to bed. And that has not been helping or whatever. I haven't put any products on the hair. No, just chunky twisted. I haven't put any products on the hair, so I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I don't know, but I have seen other reviews on this hair, and it looks so nice. I think what I'm gonna do, if I decide to wear this any longer, because I'm at the point where I'm like ready to take it out, and maybe I might wear it for another week or two, depends on my schedule. And what I would do is I will cut it. I'll cut it shorter, maybe because it's long. That's why it's like tangling and stuff, and it's being a mess. But I'll cut it and see. If I do end up cutting it, I will either come back and give you my thoughts on it, or I'll like install a picture somewhere up here or up there, so you guys can see how it looks like short. That is if I end up doing that. But if not, we'll see. But yeah, this is it for this video. If you guys want to see me try any other crochet hair brand, just let me know down in the comment section, and we'll take it from there. Alright, have a good day. I will see you in the next one. Bye.
It's a bad man.